guess who just woke up to 2 kids in full snowsuits in her bedroom? Hi, me. DFW is experiencing snowpocalypse 2.0, very similar to 2021, except that they're saying this one's going to be a lot worse. So apparently we're gonna get ready, we're gonna go outside and go play in this. I am not excited to be cold, but my kids are, so let's go do it.
Snowing today.
Put your snowsuit on.
Oh yeah, I'm
Dad said these were a waste of money, but look, we're using them. Ready to go outside?
meow.
Yay! What do you think? It is not as cold as I was thinking it was going to be, and I guess we got a little bit of snow. There's nothing crazy here. Maybe like a 1/4 of an inch. Isn't it? Hi, beautiful boy. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Yuck. No. No, I'm supposed to. Look at my baby. We're gonna have to go inside soon, huh? I don't like the cold either. Okay, me and baby have had enough, so we're gonna run inside and make everyone hot cocoa. Hot chocolate milk. You guys coming in?
I'm with the hot cocoa.
I'm making hot cocoa, okay? Oh.
No, but I'll get
Hot chocolate's ready. What did you think of the snow? Here you go. And here you go.
Peter pooped in your hot cocoa.
Yay, we got marshmallow.
Hey.